Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called breadcrumb. Now if you search in Google, for example if you search with sales page writing services in Google and you get the organic result here in SERP. So the first thing you see in the permalink URL, this is coming with an arrow. 7boats.com, then internet marketing. Under internet marketing, this is called content writing. Now if you click on this headline, this title, and you come to this page, now if you see this page, before the H1, the main heading tag, you see this, you are here, 7 boards, then digital marketing consulting services, then internet marketing, then content writing, and then sales page writing. So this path is called the breadcrumb. So from here, whenever from search engine result page you are landing on this page, you can easily understand sales page writing service is a sub page of content writing, that is again a sub page of internet marketing, that is a sub page of digital marketing consulting services of 7 Boards Infosystem Private Limited. So in a reverse way you can say the parent page of sales page writing service is content writing, content writing's parent page is internet marketing's parent page is digital marketing consulting services. So in that way you can browse through these links and you can go back to those pages and you can easily understand the total path of this sales page writing service. So this is called the user navigational link that will be helpful for users to understand where are they right now, on what page, and if this the actual hierarchy or category of this page. So this is called breadcrumb and it is very important for on-page SEO because you can input your keywords and the related groups here, like content writing, sales page writing service is a part of content writing, that is again a part of internet marketing, so you can denote it here. So this is called breadcrumb. It is very important and very useful for on-page SEO. Now we will learn about how to write this breadcrumb. Normally developers, they code this breadcrumb for every page, but if you are using WordPress, then we can install the plugin WordPress SEO, Yoast SEO plugin from Add New Plugins. It's a free one, and in SEO plugin, whenever you install the SEO, you can see here the advanced part. When you click on the advanced part, you can see this breadcrumbs part. So you have to enable the breadcrumb. You can separator between breadcrumbs, you can denote it with this, or you can denote it with single arrow, or you can denote it with right slash. So anything you can do it. And anchor text for home page. Now what is anchor text? This is called anchor text. This text is linked with the internet marketing page. You can see at the bottom of this page it's 7boards.com/services/internet-marketing. So this is called the anchor text. Whatever text linked with your another page, that is called your anchor text. So you can see here, you can put the anchor text for the home page. You can write here home, or you can write here like the way we have written, like 7 boards. We have given the company name here instead of home, because home, it would not give you a right meaning. So that's why we have kept our brand name here. So you can fill it up and then you have to just do the save changes here. Automatically it would be included in your web page. Another option is that apart from Yoast SEO, there are certain themes, they have inbuilt breadcrumb options. From appearance you can get the theme options. Some themes have their theme options. From the theme options you can select the breadcrumb. That is another alternative way of applying your breadcrumb. And when you are writing a page, whenever you write a page, create a page, you can see here the page attribute, the parent page. So in that way you can denote the parent page. If you can denote the parent page, then automatically it will come like this way, like sales page writing service, the parent page is the content writing. So from here you can select the parent page. Thank you.